Happy Sunday morning. It's about 7:30 a.m. I'm getting ready to go to the beach, and I was just thinking yesterday while we were protesting and trying to put some thoughts together last night, and like this fight over Kilmar Abrego Garcia and use of the Alien Enemies Act and the things that we saw the Supreme Court do very, very early Saturday morning. All of this stuff for the Trump administration is not about immigration. They're saying it's about immigration, but it's not about immigration. They could very, very, very easily deport any immigrant they want to if they chose to do it legally through the processes and statutes and rules that already exist. It's really a fight over the rule of law. And it's the latest, latest isn't the right word. It's because Donald Trump he's just cutting stuff left and right. He and Elon Musk, they're just cutting things, destroying departments all across the executive branch. But in the immigration arena, it involves actually taking people into custody and physically removing them from the United States. And Trump's belief that he has the unfettered right to do whatever he wants to across the entirety of the government, but in the area of immigration, that's where he can make these arguments in conjunction with the Alien Enemies Act that we're at war and that we've been invaded and that gives him special powers. But, that's why he's going to have this standoff with the Supreme Court. It's not about immigration. It's like immigration is the area of law that provides the vehicle for him to have this fight with the courts. Because I'm still convinced that he was convinced that this Supreme Court wouldn't stand in his way, or at least wouldn't stand in his way significantly. And why would he think anything other than that? This Supreme Court gave him near total, complete blanket immunity from criminal prosecution if he were to gain a second term. Why would he think that they would stand up to him on these issues? I'm sure as much as he's capable of understanding it, the order that the Supreme Court put out Saturday morning was quite a shock to the system for him and his administration, because it's the furthest that this Supreme Court has gone ever in the last decade in standing up to him directly. But, after all of that, Mr. Abrego Garcia is still not on U.S. soil and has not been returned from El Salvador, so we'll see where it goes the rest of this week.